Hi everyone, this is Nafia. Today we are going to be talking about how I got my collaborations with big brands. I got another PR from Flickr. Let me unbox it with you and show you what I got. I already opened it, I'm sorry, but I needed to check what they have sent me, right? They have sent me one product. Is this? Let me show you. So this is what I got from them. This is their lipstick. This is their newly launched. Their standout, hydrating, long-lasting HD lipstick, which is transfer proof. सिर्फ एक PR नहीं है. It's an emotion for us, the people जो लोग actual में मेहनत कर रहे हैं. I was at my stage जहाँ पर मुझे कोई भी PR नहीं मिलता था, कुछ नहीं मिलता था, and I was just like working with my YouTube, my Instagram and many things. This is their lipstick which I have already applied. Now let's talk about how I got these PRs. At first, when brand sees you, तभी वो आपको PRs भिजवाते हैं, otherwise no. If you have 10k plus followers, that's the only way brands will collaborate with you. This is a myth. My Instagram, I think it's 1200 something followers on my Instagram. I still got PRs. Important है your self-respect. So if you message brands collaborate with you, please stop that. Instead of messaging them, begging them for PR, and use messages like if you are someone जिसको एक भी पेड और बाटा कोलैब नहीं आया है अभी तक, so what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to stick this message on every brand you think they should collaborate with you. अब इससे क्या होगा कि अगर आपने 10 ब्रांड को मैसेज किया है, उनमें से एक ना एक ब्रांड आपको ऐसा मिल जाएगा साथ कोलैबोरेट करने के लिए रेडी होगा, whether it's barter और paid. उसके लिए you have to have some patience, क्योंकि ब्रांड्स आपको कभी भी रिप्लाई नहीं कर देते हैं. कभी उनकी टीम जल्दी रिप्लाई करती है, कभी थोड़ी बाद में करती है, तो इट्स वेरी कॉमन एंड नॉर्मल. तो डोंट थिंक कि वो आप लोग का मैसेज नहीं देख रहे हैं. वो लोग मैसेजेस देखते हैं, चेक करते हैं. ऑब्वियसली दे डोंट वांट देयर रेपुटेशन शुड बी डाउन. उनकी टीम रहती है, उसके मैसेजेस चेक करती है, which actually happened with me. I used to message all the brands, didn't work out because my message was really unprofessional. तो उसके लिए आपको चाहिए रहेगा, you have to write very professional message as I told you. ये मैसेज आप सब ब्रांड्स को सेंड कर सकते हो, but you need to stick their name, something like this. बात आता है why they are not reaching out to you, because guys small creators को लोग एकदम से नहीं देखते हैं, whether it's brand or people. उसके लिए हमें थोड़ा patience रखना पड़ा, which I also did. If you want paid barter collaboration, you need to be having patience in you guys. ये सबसे बड़ी चीज है. Or stick this message, this kind of message, make your own message like this and send it to all the brands जो आपसे collaborate करनी चाहिए. In my opinion, in my sense, I collaborated with Flickr. I messaged Flickr, but they replied, they loved my content. We had a barter collaboration at first. They liked me. Our bond is so good. They liked me that much. We had a paid collaboration already. This was the lipstick was a paid collab, and our bond is so good. For the second barter collaboration, they approached me by themselves. मैंने नहीं बोला कुछ. They approached me because I made such a good content. आपके पास brand PR आता है. Need to be having very good intensity in you, rawness in you, so you can portray the content very beautifully. That's all the brand wants. फिर आप एक अच्छा content बनाते हो और उसको post करते हो उनके content के हिसाब से what they like, so आपको वो खुद भी approach करते हैं. ये सब actual में हुआ है. You want barter or paid collaboration, आप ये करके देख सकते हो and you will love. Give it a like to this video. Want मैं ऐसी videos लाती रहूं. This is a reality and a real thing which happened to me and definitely will happen to you too, because you're a human and I'm a human. Bye bye. Subscribe and like to this channel. Yeah, also don't wait for the PR, work for a PR.